Intermittent fasting, or IF, consists of alternating periods of eating and fasting. There are several methods available, with the 16-8 method and the 5-2 approach being among the most popular. The 16-8 method involves fasting for 16 hours and eating during an 8-hour window. The 5-2 approach allows normal eating for 5 days a week and significantly reduces calorie intake on 2 days. Pick the method that best suits your lifestyle. Why does intermittent fasting work? During fasting, your body uses fat for energy, aiding weight loss. Fasting also reduces insulin levels, which promotes fat burning. Additionally, it increases growth hormone levels, helping with fat loss and muscle growth. For example, if you finish your last meal at 8 p.m., you wouldn't eat again until noon the next day, fasting for 16 hours. During this time, your body begins to burn stored fat. You then have an 8-hour window to eat your meals freely. Research points to many benefits of intermittent fasting. It can enhance metabolic health, reduce inflammation, and may improve brain function. This approach is simple and adaptable to any lifestyle. It's important to eat nutritious foods during your eating periods. Focus on whole foods, lean proteins, and plenty of vegetables. Avoid processed foods and excessive sugar to get the best results. In summary, intermittent fasting is an effective weight loss tool that fits easily into daily life. Choose a method that works for you, focus on healthy eating, and stay consistent. Ready to try intermittent fasting? Start today by exploring different methods to find your best fit. Don't delay. Your journey to better health starts now. Intermittent fasting offers flexibility and benefits beyond weight loss, improving overall well-being. As you begin, listen to your body and adjust your eating habits as needed. It may take time to adapt, but the increased energy and focus are worth it. The 16-8 method is often easiest for beginners. Start with a consistent eating window, such as noon to 8 p.m., to allow for satisfying lunch and dinner meals. During fasting hours, keep hydrated with water, herbal teas, or black coffee to help manage hunger. During your eating window, include a variety of nutrient-rich foods. For lunch, try a colorful salad with grilled chicken or tofu, dressed with olive oil and vinegar. For dinner, prepare a vegetable stir-fry with brown rice or quinoa and a lean protein source to stay full. Snack wisely between meals with nuts, yogurt, or fresh fruit to maintain energy and nourish your body. The quality of your diet during eating times greatly impacts your weight loss and overall health. Be patient and track your progress. Celebrate small wins like feeling more energetic or fitting into clothes better. Consider joining a community, online or in person, to share experiences and stay motivated. Support from others can enrich your journey and keep you accountable. When tempted, remind yourself why you started and visualize your health goals. Staying focused will make your path to better health clearer and more rewarding. You're not alone. Many people are choosing intermittent fasting to improve their health. Each day brings you closer to your goal, and persistence leads to long-term success. Embrace this opportunity for transformation by making sustainable changes that benefit you in the long run. Enjoy the process, stay committed, and reshape your relationship with food. Incorporate light exercise into your routine to complement intermittent fasting. Even short walks or gentle yoga during fasting hours can boost metabolism and enhance fat burning. Intermittent fasting is a journey full of opportunities for growth and discovery. Celebrate small victories and build a strong connection with your health to encourage lasting change. With dedication and patience, a healthier, more vibrant life is within reach. Intermittent fasting is more than a weight loss strategy. It's a holistic approach that combines physical health and mental clarity. As you begin this transformation, stay aware of your body's signals and adjust your fasting schedule as needed. Initial hunger waves are common but usually fade as your body adapts. The goal is to develop a healthier relationship with food and mindful eating habits. Experiment with your eating window to find what suits you best, and discover preferences that improve both your health and the enjoyment of meals. You might find that certain foods energize you, or that preparing meals ahead reduces stress. Adding light exercise can enhance the benefits of intermittent fasting. Short walks boost metabolism and fat burning, while gentle activities like yoga or stretching during fasting hours support fitness, mental clarity, and stress reduction, making the fasting experience more enjoyable and fulfilling. Combining fasting with intentional movement promotes holistic improvement of body and mind. Every small effort counts on your path to wellness. As you get comfortable with intermittent fasting, reflect on your progress and bodily changes. Journaling can help document your experiences, feelings, and challenges. Celebrate visible changes and improvements in energy, mood, and focus. Tracking these small victories helps you stay motivated through setbacks and cravings. You're redefining your lifestyle, and every step forward shows your commitment to health. Before starting intermittent fasting, assess your goals and envision the lifestyle changes you want. Imagine your daily life transformed by healthier choices and sustained energy. Understanding your motivations strengthens commitment and resilience during transitions. Set short and long-term goals to stay focused, such as drinking more water, trying new recipes, or reaching fitness milestones. Visualize the satisfaction of achieving these goals. Intermittent fasting is not just about limiting food, but rediscovering the joy of eating. Preparing and enjoying meals make fasting periods times of anticipation for vibrant flavors. Explore cooking. Try new recipes with healthy ingredients and use spices and herbs to enhance dishes that nourish and delight your senses. Share your culinary experiences with friends and family to create a supportive environment that encourages healthy eating. Remember, your journey to better health isn't solitary. Invite others to join you in this wellness exploration. Reflect on your progress and know that with patience, persistence, and passion for nourishing your body, a healthier lifestyle is within reach. As you deepen your intermittent fasting practice, cultivate patience and kindness toward yourself. Each day offers a chance to learn about your hunger signals and preferences. Challenges will arise, but each one is an opportunity to reaffirm your commitment to your health. Celebrate days when you feel energized and focused, and don't be discouraged by setbacks. See them as part of your growth. Surround yourself with positivity through affirmations, supportive friends, or inspiring content. Remember, your transformation is not only dietary, but a profound shift toward a healthier, more vibrant you. Finding reliable support enhances your intermittent fasting experience. Connect with others on similar journeys to share tips, celebrate successes, and face challenges together. Join online forums or local groups focused on healthy living and fasting. Community engagement offers motivation, accountability, and shared knowledge, making your health journey easier and more enjoyable. Share your victories, no matter how small, to inspire and uplift others and build a strong support network. To maximize the benefits of intermittent fasting, stay well hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps curb hunger during fasting and supports overall health and metabolism. Herbal teas and black coffee add flavor and warmth without calories. During eating windows, prioritize nutrient-rich foods like vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats to provide essential vitamins and minerals. Meal planning helps maintain organization and commitment, allowing you to enjoy nourishing meals aligned with your fasting schedule. As you grow accustomed to intermittent fasting, you may find it empowering, leading to increased energy and vitality. Regularly revisit your goals to ensure they match your evolving lifestyle. This ongoing dedication deepens your connection to your health journey, enabling lasting changes that transform your body and life. Mindfulness during eating is as important as fasting. Eat slowly, savor each bite, and listen to your body's hunger cues. This enhances your dining experience and helps prevent overeating by tuning you into fullness signals. Enjoy colorful, nutrient-packed plates that satisfy and nourish. Allow flexibility in your approach. Not every day will go as planned, and that's okay. Intermittent fasting is a path not only to weight management, but also to a more energetic, vibrant you. With patience and dedication, this approach can lead to a sustainable lifestyle that improves your well-being and encourages lasting health changes. Embrace the journey and thrive as you rediscover yourself. Subscribe for more to Health 101 Hub.